today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscription. Now let's dive right into the process of canceling your Sales Navigator subscription. To start this process, the very first thing you need to do is log into your LinkedIn account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on LinkedIn's homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll notice a menu bar. In this area, you should see a section labeled For Business. This is crucial because it holds the options we're going to navigate through next. You have the choice to either hover over this section or click on it directly. Doing so will reveal a drop-down menu, and from this menu, your next step is to select Admin Center. Now, there's something you should be aware of. Occasionally, you might encounter a notification within this section, particularly something like, "Please update your payment method." This is more common if there's a payment issue with your subscription. However, it's important to note that you might not see this option today, especially as the account we're using here is set up for tutorial purposes and doesn't have an active LinkedIn Premium subscription. If you do see a notification, don't worry, it's a standard part of subscription management. You simply need to click on it, and this action will navigate you to the next step, which involves selecting Purchases. Once you've clicked on Purchases, you'll be presented with a variety of options. Take your time to carefully look over these because here, your goal is to locate Sales Navigator Core. Upon finding it, go ahead and click on it to proceed further. Once you access this section, you should notice an option labeled Cancel Subscription. This option is your gateway to beginning the actual cancellation process. A click on Cancel Subscription will lead LinkedIn to present a confirmation window. This is a step you can't afford to overlook because it's LinkedIn's way of confirming your intent to cancel your service. To solidify your decision, you'll need to click on Continue to Cancel. By doing so, you'll finalize the cancellation process, ensuring that your LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscription is now successfully canceled. And just like that, you've completed the cancellation process for your LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscription. If you found this guide helpful, it would be immensely appreciated if you could leave a like on this video. Additionally, if our content resonates with you and you'd love to see more tutorials like this one, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support really makes a difference and encourages us to keep providing content that helps you navigate the digital world with ease. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.